gear there to endure some of that snow. You do have more snow here pushing its way into the northeast. We're getting it across the mid-Atlantic. Washington, D.C. and the suburbs, they're very excited to get it. Philadelphia, you're going to start to see it soon. You're kind of just on the fringes, so a lot of that hasn't been making it to the ground just yet. Plenty of cold air out there. 17 in Buffalo, 8 in Detroit. New York City, 29 degrees. We struggled to get to the freezing mark today, so it has been pretty chilly by January standards, especially given how mild a lot of the early winter season has been. But snowfall, we do know, is coming 1 to 3 inches for a good chunk of the northeast, a little bit more as you push your way towards the mountains there and through parts of West Virginia. That's where we'll see some of those changes. And then the cold, it does stick with us. Philadelphia, 1 to 2 inches of snowfall. This should be enough to break night as the snow expands off to the northeast. And that continues, again, creating that swath of 1 to 3 inches of snow. So for the morning commute tomorrow, as we go through the overnight hours, the snow's still there. It lifts north and still messy. New York, Philadelphia, Boston, and D.C. probably. We have seen those lake effect snow bands shift around on us. Earlier this weekend, if you looked at the radar scan, the lake effect snow is going just south of Buffalo to the south towns. And same thing for the area off of Lake Ontario. But we have now since seen the wind shift a little bit, so the band is a little wind shifts there off of the lake. But first, you can see the snow reports already piling up through places like Washington, D.C., Baltimore. And we're in the 20s for the big East Coast cities as that snow moves through, which it will continue to move through for your Tuesday. Even a little pink, which means rains mixing in for New York and Boston. Here's the forecast as it moves northward. You can see that snow pretty intense.